Okay, right here we got a brand new Ferris. This is a leftover from a 2018 model. It's the IS3200Z with a Kawasaki 35 horsepower V-twin engine, full suspension. It's obviously that customers or people that know these machines, they all come with the full suspension. That's what Ferris do for. That's how they look when they're new. Okay. Uh, this machine only has on the engine 15 minutes, and that's how they look when they're old. This is the Snapper 125 XT. This machine is 2 years, I think 3 years old. This is my big jump from this into this. As you can see, size wise is a big difference. I just unloaded. That's my trailer and my truck. This is the S125, which doesn't owe me any money. I make a lot of money with this machine, and it's still going. It has over 1,000 hours, and it's still going. I only have replaced one hydro, which cost me about $1,000 to replace. And this guy here, I think it has the Z5400 hydros. I think it's a 5100, 54. I'm not sure, but it's somewhere in the fives. Versus that one is, I think it's 3,000 or 3,200. I seen these machine reviews. I saw 100. I didn't read the all 111 reviews, but out of all 111 reviews, this machine had only 3 bad reviews, and 2 reviews had complained that when the machine is cutting grass, it left the grass and doesn't cut at all. So they say they had to cut the grass sometimes twice and sometimes 3 passes. I don't know how that happens. They might going too fast. The machine goes up to 12 miles per hour, is rated to 12 miles. I don't know. I just got this machine out of the crate. I helped my friend unload it because he sells the machines. He gave me a good deal on it. So I'm gonna find out how the machine cuts at normal speed, like between 5 and 8 miles, and I'm gonna test the machine at 12 miles. And most of the times when you're cutting grass at high speed, you're not cutting grass at all. So I don't care what machine you use. I mean, I have used Skax, I have used X-Marts, I have used, Simplicities, I have used, Snappers, and they all about the same. It's everything about the speed. I think so. Now, if someone up there can correct me if I'm wrong, please do so. But they say the machine is a great machine. Suspension is awesome. I have no suspension in this one. This machine has no, is very stiff. It's a killer. I mean, I have a back problems. I injured myself in a motorcycle accident, and my back is killing me every time I go and cut grass. And I do 70 loans a week. I do this for a living, so I have to now start treating myself a little bit better. And we'll see how this machine. If this machine does great, I will upgrade all from now on to something bigger, a little bit bigger than this, probably a 72 or some on the 70-inch deck. I'd seen the features on the Brace and Stratton. engine with the oil pan or with the extra oil over here that it says that goes up to 500 hours. So price is big difference in price on that engine between this one and this Kawasaki is at 35 horsepower, same power, but the other one is electric. This one still has choke, versus fuel injected. um, so you paying for the for that extra feature. I think it's almost to $2,000. um, so here it is, 61-inch deck, 3 blades. They come with lift blades. I use gator blades for mulching. I mulch. It's better. To me, it's better. I think so. That way I don't have to pick up clippings, because sometimes I have, at the beginning of the season, I have houses that the grass grows too fast, and especially if they fertilize and aerate and reseed the grass, and then I have to cut it twice because the clippings. So it's ever since I using the gator blades, I don't do pickup at all. So it goes back into the soil, which is very good. You know, you give back to the soil whatever you cut, and they'll disintegrate within, depends on the weather, very fast. So next time I start using this machine, I'm gonna take a video. I'll have someone take a video, and then I give you the review for the machine. You know, obviously it's gonna be probably better than this. You know, which I have no complaints about this Snapper Pro. It does good cut. It does a good job, but I expected this to do a greater job. So please, I'll keep you posted. Look at the review, and in the next month or month and a half. All right, thank you very much.